The sequence diagram illustrates the process of creating a container image, pushing it to Amazon ECR, Elastic Container Registry, and cleaning up afterward. Here's a breakdown of each step. 1. Write Docker file. The developer creates a Docker file on their local machine, which defines the steps needed to build the container image. 2. Build container image. The local machine sends a request to Docker Engine to build the container image based on the Docker file. This process compiles the image, including the application code and dependencies. 3. Image built successfully. Docker Engine returns a confirmation that the image has been built and is now available locally. 4. Authenticate to ECR. The local machine uses AWS CLI to authenticate Docker to the ECR, allowing for secure image uploads. 5. Authentication successful. AWS confirms that the authentication was successful. 6. Tag the image for ECR. The image is tagged to prepare it for uploading to the ECR repository. 7. Image tagged. Docker Engine confirms that the image has been successfully tagged. 8. Push image to ECR. The tagged image is then pushed to the ECR repository for storage. 9. Image pushed successfully. The ECR confirms the image is now stored in the repository. 10. Remove local image. The local machine requests Docker Engine to delete the local copy of the image to free up space. 11. Local image removed. Docker Engine completes the removal of the local image, finalizing the cleanup process. This sequence ensures built, stored, and managed, following best practices for automation and resource optimization.